Today we're going to be cooking alligator meat. I'm going to use some black pepper. Some olive oil. Some soy sauce. Some Italian seasoning. And if you like a little bit salty, I'm gonna use Himalayan pink salt. And let it sit for about 20 minutes. After 10 minutes passed and marinated, we're gonna add some lemon juice. Let it sit for another 10 minutes before cooking. Okay, so after 20 minutes, we're gonna cook the alligator. So we're gonna cook alligator, and we're gonna add sweet chili sauce. And we'll let it cook slowly until it changes the color. Alligator changed the color, and now you can serve it either with side of potatoes, rice, or your type of vegetable.